Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my second episode, and today I will be doing steak and shrimp and a side salad for my family. And we have Miss Serenity here with us today.
So guys, this is what I'm gonna cook with my mom. You know what, guys? Me and my mom went to go get ice cream frog. And then we went to that was you get wrong.
Are you?
Yeah.
So you guys stick around for me and Serenity day in the kitchen. Some say stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Here we go.
Here we go.
So Serenity, what you know about in the kitchen? You like being in the kitchen?
Ew, and I don't like crying, guys. Yeah.
What your mommy tell you is nowhere in the kitchen.
No crying.
No crying in the kitchen.
Mom, can I do this one and then you do that? And
Yeah,
then
you can do it if you tell me what are these? What this called?
Hot spices.
All of it not hot, but these are called spices. You are so right.
Hold on. I smell the hot. Hold on, I got the story.
Okay, Serenity, so now what did I tell you these are called?
The vegetables.
Yes. So mommy gonna cut up the vegetables.
And then I put this on it.
Yeah, and you're gonna put a little seasoning on the vegetables.
Go cut this first. Cut it. Oh, sorry, I forgot.
So what do you know about a knife? What you have to be careful? What you have to do with a knife?